Welcome to Intelearn, your lean learning partner. Today, we'll explore the lean principle of pull, a system that flips traditional production on its head. Ready to produce only what's needed when it's needed? Let's dive in. What is pull? In traditional factories, we often produce in bulk, push as much as we can, stock it, and hope for demand. That's the push system. But lean prefers a smarter way, the pull system. Conveyor belts piling up garments in push system versus smooth, paste flow in pull. In pull, nothing is made until there's a customer need. Demand triggers production, reducing inventory, overproduction, and waste. Key principles of pull system. Customer-driven production. The end customer pulls the product through the process. Upstream processes only act when downstream signals a need. Controlled work in progress, WIP, limits overproduction, keeps inventory and costs low. Visual signals, Kanban cards. Pull systems often use Kanban to signal when to produce or move items. A physical or digital card indicates when stock needs replenishing. Pull-in action. Let's say a sewing line finishes a batch of 100 bras. The next section, packing, pulls that batch only when it's ready. No extra work piles up. This flow keeps things moving, reduces space, and improves quality. Cart with Kanban card, moving from packing to sewing line. Why push fails? Push production often leads to overproduction, excess inventory, defects hiding in big batches, and long lead times. In garments, this could mean too many cut panels sitting idle, or stitched garments waiting days for QC, all non-value activities. Benefits of pull. Using pull, you only cut what's ordered, you only sew what's needed. QC happens when required. You reduce waiting time, balance workload, and minimize space. For example, in a JIT cutting room, fabric is cut just before sewing starts, keeping freshness and flexibility for changes. Smooth one-piece flow from cutting to sewing to finishing. Pull isn't just a method, it's a mindset. Make only what is needed, when it's needed, in the amount needed. Like, share, and subscribe to Intelearn for more lean insights. Next up, we'll connect this with Hey Junka. Stay tuned.